It is rainy, windy, flooding today.
Mama, I have to tell you something, Mom.
Hi, baby. Sun has peeked out for a second. Just for a second. Evening. I'm wearing Nate's hoodie today, which I miss him. We FaceTimed last night and I miss him. But anyway, it's been raining and flooding here. Like where we are, we're supposed to get 2.17 inches, and then in other places, just complete flooding. So we're going out. Dad has to pick up some foam for his Halloween costume, and I think we're gonna go to the mall, plus to drive around and see if it really is flooding around here. Just curious. So, yeah. By the way, I attempted to do part of like a trial run on Sarah for the thing I showed you last night, the costume I got. And I'll show you now what it looks like, but be forewarned, it was a really rough draft. Pissed off owl. Good. Pouring down rain.
Cooking with Nate. Today I'm gonna make some no-bake cookies. These are my absolute favorite. Here's everything mixed together: sugar, cocoa, butter, and milk. I got the oats right here, the wax paper down, peanut butter right there that I'm gonna add in, and then vanilla extract for flavor. Ta-da! Homemade no-bake cookies. And what I like to do is keep some in the pan while it's still warm and eat it straight out of the pan. I probably have chocolate on my lips, huh?
Going to Germany yet. So Christene's crying right now because she thinks we're going back to Germany, and she doesn't want to go back to Germany because she doesn't want to leave my mom. We're not going to Germany, Christeene. Why do you think that? Well, eventually, but not right now. It's so blustery. Yes, blustery. This is, wow, look at that. Dad got his material. We're in Joann's, and he got like this burlappy sack material for his costume. Is that all you're looking for? Mm-hmm. Whoa, they got like, ooh, I hope that's fake. Well, this is like, look at this. Well, at least it's 25% off. Are you really gonna do this, Dad? They have other fabric too. Is that the color you're looking for? Do you need a lining in it or something? Or Dad's going all Project Runway. This is mood right now. Oh, here's some military stuff right here. The United States Navy, Army, Marines, Air Force. Joann's has a stash of nutcrackers. Wow. Oh my gosh. You're gonna get outfit of the day.
Lord, right here in the middle of everybody.
She got her pink
I have
little
a hat on. Yeah, and I have a sweater and some pants and some boots. I don't know what to say about them, but okay.
Christene's outfit of the day. Her new shirt she got from Target. This is Love. And she got her Mariners pants on with her Phoebeus and Ferb shoes. Her jacket's in the car. Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, it starts blurry sometimes, but I'm walking the mall right now. Mom, Dad, and Sarah are down at the play area, and I got myself a birthday gift. Yes, that's right, Nate. I got myself some boots. So,
Which one is that?
I won't use them till my birthday. That'll be your gift for me. I don't even own a pair of boots, so anyway, now I'm just walking. Gotta find them. Really empty here. You guys have seen this mall so many times. This is the Kitsap Mall in Silverdale, Washington, and it's normally pretty quiet. Okay, put it on.
It did not look good on me. Oh.
My sweaty monkey just got done playing, and our routine is she always gets a little orange Julius. Look at that sweaty tomato face.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's Starbucks time. Yep, we're in Barnes & Noble. Dad is in La Panaderia, the bread store, the Mexican bread store. La Esperanza Mexican store. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, not really. Sort of. Look at the piñatas.
Dead tired.
Does any other parent or, you know, figure that, grandparent or whatever, have you ever seen these Monster High dolls? Christeene, this is Dracula. Christeene watches a YouTube video of kids and they play this and oh my goodness. Yeah, I wasn't able to. $12 though. At least it was only 12 because it was on discount. But still. Yeah. Their calves are massive. You guys probably, well, you can only see the fire, but today has been so caca outside that my parents started the wood stove fireplace down here. There's a kitty next to my foot. Hi, Sika. Hi, Sika. Oh, yes, loves. Look at the fire. So warm in here. I got outside. The rain.
That looked to me like it was from another planet.
Wow. That's heavy rain. Dad's making stew. It smells good.